You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, the name of this type of car. I mean, it's generally a 911, and the name comes from a race in Mexico that's called Carrera Panamerica, the Pan American racing. Carrera in Spanish means a race. Carrera is your Spanish pronunciation with the first double R that is really trilled. Carrera. In English, Porsche. It's not Porsche, right? Or Porsche. No, Porsche. If you want to learn how to pronounce it the German way, I've got a video for you. Stay tuned. Porsche Carrera is the English pronunciation here. Carrera in German, or Carrera, Spanish. And now you know all the correct pronunciations. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.